Let's be real, content creation looks fun on the outside. Cameras, editing, posting, engaging with people online. But here's what you don't see: the admin side. The emails, the brand pitches, the proposals, the web posts, the contracts. Basically, all the boring but necessary stuff that comes with trying to make content a business. And if I'm being honest, that side drains me way more than filming ever does. Because yes, I love making videos, but the moment I have to sit down and write a professional pitch to a brand, my brain's stuck in analysis paralysis. I'll spend an hour staring at a blank page typing and deleting the same sentence 10 times. And I know I'm not alone. Every creator I talk to has the same problem. We all got into this because we love creating, not because we like to be our own admin team. But here's the catch: if you don't handle this part, you don't land partnerships, and you don't turn your channel into an actual career. So here's where Gamma comes in. Basically, Gamma 3.0 is the world's first AI design partner for creating effortless presentations, websites, social posts, and more. No coding or design skills required. It helps me speed up the admin work that I hate, not by replacing me because I still write, tweak, and get to add my own voice, but by giving me a huge head start. Here's how I use it. Say I need to draft a pitch deck for a brand collaboration. Normally, I'd waste hours staring at a blank document or PowerPoint, trying to figure out what to say, which template, format, color, or words to use. But with Gamma, I just type in my bullet points, who I am, my channel stats, the type of content I create, and it automatically structures it into a clean deck. I can then swap the colors, tweak the text, and make it feel just like me. I can also just drop my script draft here and let Gamma turn it into a storyboard or a campaign brief so my client clearly sees my vision. Or let's say I need to create a simple webpage for my portfolio. I could just type, draft a personal website layout for a lifestyle tech creator, and it spits out a structured outline. Just click publish and it's live and ready for sharing. Don't like something? You can upload your own assets or ask Gamma Agent to make changes and keep everything consistent with your personal brand. This works not just for brand deals but also for creator workshops, speaking gigs, or webinars. Or if you plan to launch a service, store, or membership, Gamma can also help you create a landing page for your business in seconds. Need more data for your investor pitch? Agent can research info from web and cite it for you. Want to make that slide more compelling? Agent can redesign it as you wish. Think your deck deserves a tighter structure? Agent can consolidate it for a punchier presentation. Now, is it perfect? Of course not. But it gets me from zero to something in under a minute. And once the structure is there, I just have to spend a few more minutes polishing it. And this is important. I'm not handing off my business to AI. I don't trust it to speak for me. That's still my job. But what Gamma does is remove the hardest part, which is starting. And honestly, that's probably the only way that solo creators like me can stay consistent and keep this business sustainable. If we had to build every deck, every pitch, every site from scratch, anybody would burn out fast. So no, Gamma isn't replacing us as creators. And AI should not. It's just helping us do the boring but necessary parts faster so we can spend our energy where it matters and get back to the fun side of content creation. Because whether you're a small creator or you've been at it for years, you're not just a content creator. You're also your own manager, your own marketer, and your own assistant. And Gamma just makes that part suck a little less. So if you're building your creator business and you want to spend less time on admin tasks and more time on actually creating, visit gamma.app and try it for free.